Hey guys, good morning. Let's have some awesome good morning stretches after a long and peaceful sleep. How stretches can help long-term fat loss. Stretching can help improve your posture throughout the day, giving you more mobility and flexibility to help you on your workouts, burn more calories even without exercises. Bad posture throughout the year can also result in poor technique and less calorie burns in your workouts. So let's reset our body every morning for better posture. So let's sit with our leg crossed and tilt your head to the left. You can feel the stretch right here. Do not strain your neck. And let's go on the other side to the right. Do as far as you can and other side while holding our shoulder and roll to the back. Don't forget to breathe long and other side. Roll your shoulders back. Take it easy and don't forget to breathe and roll both of your shoulders to the front. Sit upright, long spine, and roll your head to the opposite side. Release that tight and stiff muscle and let's go to our child's pose. Push the floor long from your fingertips until your tailbone and relax here. Inhale long and exhale. You can move your spine like this, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. And let's go on our tabletop position. We're gonna do some cat and cow pose. Long spine, tummy tuck. And lift your chest up in the cow position. Suck your tummy in. Spine is long. And lift your chest again. Inhale. And exhale. So we're going to go up to the plank, slide our left leg to the outer side of our hands. Move forward, back and forth. If this is too deep for you, you can just do whatever you feel comfortable. And next we're going to put down our back knee. Do not twist your hips, keep your hips square. And sit down until you reach this position. Lift your chest and open to the left. Open, squeeze your back, stretch your chest. And do a few more of this. Hips square, lift your chest up. Hands squeeze at the back, straight, squeeze at the back, and straight. And go ahead and straighten your front leg and stretch some hamstring here. Do what you feel comfortable. Everyone has their own level. Just keep your knee as straight as possible and stretch. You can bend your knee if this is too difficult. Go up to the plank, slide your right leg to the outer side of your right hands and back and forth to stretch the hips and also hip flexor. And slide it to the inner part of your hand. Put down your back knee and sit straight. Open to the right, close. Open and close. Do a few more of this. Again. And great job. Slowly. Go straight up and then squeeze your shoulder blades in your upper back, up and down. Stay in this position so your hip flexor can stretch out, and slowly straighten your front leg. Do not twist your hips. Keep your hips square and stay here. You can deepen or loosen the stretch according to your level. Don't forget to breathe. And going back to plank position. We're gonna do some downward dog and pedal our legs like when you're on a bicycle. But if you are not flexible enough, you can raise your calves like this. And go to the plank. Again, downward dog. Go to the plank, let it flow. Move your spine and go down and grab both of your legs and trying to touch it to your booty. The key is your whole entire stomach, hip flexor and also quads are touching the yoga mat. So you get the most benefit of this stretch. Stay here and go up to cobra pose or half cobra. You can do this as low or as high as you can. If you are a beginner, you can do this Sphinx pose also. And roll your head. To the opposite side. And then go up into cobra pose. And go back to downward dog and plank. And then slide your right leg, straighten your other leg, and then we are going to do some dance. Side stretch. Swing your arm, flowing your spine. and stretch to the front. This will stretch your inner thigh and also your glutes. Let's switch to the other side. Left leg in the front and to the side, straighten your right leg and do some side stretch dance. Keep it flowing. Beautiful arms, beautiful spine. And to the front and stretch. And then do some child's pose again with more length on your spine from your tailbone towards your fingertips, long. And thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day from these 10 minutes good morning stretches. Bye bye, see you on my next video.